SkyTech Supremacy Gaming Computer PC Desktop, i7-7700K, 500GB Samsung 960 EVO SSD, GTX 1080 Ti 11GB, 360mm RGB liquid cool, 2TB, 32GB DDR4, GTX 1080 Samsung 960 EVO 500G SSD. Heavy checkmark Intel Core i7-7700K Kaby Lake 7th generation quad-core 4.2 GHz processor blazing fast Samsung 960 EVO M.2 500GB NVMe SSD 2TB 7200 RPM hard drive. Heavy checkmark Nvidia GeForce GTX 1080 Ti 11GB GDDR5 video card 32GB DDR4 3200 SDRAM Windows 10 Professional 64-bit ASROCK Fatal 1 Ti Z270 Gaming K6 Motherboard. Heavy checkmark Wi-Fi ready no bloatware 1x DVI, 3x DisplayPort, version 1.4, 1x HDMI. Heavy checkmark special Thermaltake routing plus RGB 360mm AIO radiator liquid /water cooling assembled by SkyTech PC powered by 80 plus gold certified 750 watt power supply. Heavy checkmark open frame panoramic viewing